Natural sheep's wool as nesting material for birds. Many birds use sheep's wool to line their nests in order to make them soft and cozy. This female southern-masked weaver is picking bits of wool off the fence to use as a soft nest lining. Cape Penduline Tits build their whole nest out of sheep's wool. This is the waterproof woolen nest of the Cape Penduline Tit. Sheep's wool often gets caught in thorny bushes when the sheep brush past the bush. This karoo prinia has a beak full of wool for nest lining. And this male Cape sparrow also has a beak full of wool to add to its untidy nest in a boerboon tree. This is its untidy but very cozy looking nest.